Picture this, living a life funded entirely by e-commerce profits. Captivating, right? But don't just imagine it, let me guide you on how to turn that dream into a reality even if you're starting from scratch. And it all starts with a solid product. So I've researched the top 5 products that I'd personally promote if I were just beginning. So let's get right into this, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a solid set of products to launch your store with and see those sales roll in. I'll be analyzing each of these products as I would for any product that I'm personally looking to sell. So some things that I look for are wow factor of the product, potential to create lots and lots of content around this product, as well as the validity from the competitor that I find it from. And this same criteria can be applied to any product you're looking to sell. And for each of the products that I showcase, pay close attention to the pros and cons. This way you'll be equipped to make an informed decision on what you might want to sell. All right, so here we are onto the product list sheet, where you're gonna have all the access to the links. But for now, we're gonna go on to the first product, which is a pretty cool product that I just saw the other day. We can go in and watch this video from the beginning, and we'll see what it is.
You can do that with the tennis ball. Okay, let's see.
That's pretty cool. So showing the comparison between a regular tennis ball and their own
that no matter where
bouncy tennis ball,
it always comes back to your hand. But people,
pretty cool product. Yeah, so look at the engagement, 36.7 thousand likes, 877 comments, 3K saves, 340 shares, all directing that traffic to their website right here. So we can see that with that one viral video that they created, which was not too long ago, 3 million views. What they did is they replied to a comment. This is a good strategy, but replied to a comment on that same video, and they're able to get 2 million views from this reply. How do I get one, right? Let's watch the video.
Highest bouncing ball. We made it so sick that it can reach up to 92,183 feet. Also, every time you throw it, it comes back to your hand like a magnet. If you want one, you must be following us. But be quick because they are going out fast.
It's pretty funny. Yeah, so they have the link in bio, and they're posting a lot of content around this product, and they just only started posting content 8/12. So in the middle of August, they started posting this content, and they've already got 60,000 followers on this account, 100K likes, directing all that traffic to this website where they're selling each unit for $8.99. Yesterday I saw it at $9.99, so they must have decreased the price. So here they are, $8.99. They have the variants, they have the green, the yellow, blue, orange, pink, and the way that they are branding this, it's the alien ball. So they're branding it pretty decently. The website itself, I'm pretty sure is a one product store. We can go to the home. Yeah, one product store. And what I would personally do if I were these guys, I would take advantage of bundling, right? So you're already at a pretty low average unit cost. If you were to bundle and say, hey, let's throw in 2 units at 10%, 4 units at 20%, so on and so forth, you're gonna get people to spend more money on average. And generally, I wouldn't have this big of a discrepancy in terms of the compared price. So this is how they have it. You guys can definitely improve upon this website. We'll look at the unit cost. Is $189 per unit for these, and they've already been 498 sold. And then the shipping is $1.39. So we can go and check out the little diagram that I created for you guys. But one thing also I want you guys to take note of, you'll see that there's $239 shipping right here, $139 here. If we go into the drop down, we'll see that there's tracking unavailable. Generally, I always want to select the tracking available option. You guys that watch my videos know that I always want to choose the option that is tracking available, because if someone decides to file a dispute, you automatically lose if you do not have tracking. So this is that proof that you have that tracking code, that the item has been on its way. So you're gonna be good to go. So with that being said, the shipping is gonna be $2.39. I would sell each unit at $10.99, but focus on bundling, right? So I would go 2 units at 10%, 4 units at 20, 6 units at 40, whatever you wanna do. But when you have a pretty low average unit cost per unit, you want to focus on bundling or ways that you can increase the average order value per customer, right? Because you're really not gonna make that much money per unit, $8.66 per unit. The shipping, you're gonna lose 40 cents on the shipping. You're gonna profit $8.66 on the unit itself at an overall net profit of $8.26 per unit. And then for the target niches, the people that I would go about targeting, or how I would go for my ad strategy, I would start organic and then I would go TikTok ads, because this is a product that I would say is probably gonna perform better on TikTok ads. And with TikTok ads, I generally start off broad anyway. So I would go in with broad targeting. If you want, you could do a little bit of research and figure out who exactly you want to be targeting to get the best possible results. But I would go broad, so that's what I'm putting here. And yeah, so that's it for product number 1. Let's hop into product number 2. All right, so product number 2 is a super awesome product that I actually found on Instagram. And so if we go ahead and check out the video itself, same thing, they're replying to a comment, and this video got a ridiculous amount of views. 400,000 likes, and this was posted at August 14th on this page, and all they're doing is just showcasing the product, replying to a comment. Perfect example of UGC. And I guess all this product does is that it allows you to perform drop sets a lot easier without having to pull out that pin and put it into the preceding weight every single time. It just makes it a lot easier. And this guy is dedicating the entirety of this page to this product, and it looks like they've been able to legitimize it pretty well. They've got their own custom label on it, which isn't very hard once you have a decent amount of volume. You can tell your supplier, hey, I've been selling X amount of units. Let's start to customize it a bit so my conversion rates increase, so I'm providing a little bit more value and quality to my customers. So we can go and check out their website where they're selling each unit for $39.99. And then they're selling the pair for $59.98. So they're taking advantage of bundling pretty well. They're doing 1, 2, and then 3, and then they're doing discount bundling. So these guys are doing a pretty good job. The great thing was that I saw these guys and I was like, damn, this product looks like a ridiculous product. Let me go ahead and actually see if they're making money. That's what I did. I threw in their website onto Magic 8, and you could see that they've done, since I tracked them on the 22nd, which is 3.5 days, they've done $5,750 organic selling these drop setter units, which is pretty good for doing that all organic. They're averaging a little over $1,000 a day. And we can go in and look at the unit cost. So one set, they're selling each of this set. So there's 2 for $26.92. I could not find a listing that was selling one individual unit. So you would have to contact the supplier and say, hey, can you sell me 1 unit? Can you sell me 2 units? Can you sell me 3 units? Which shouldn't be too much of an issue. So it's $26.92 per unit. From here, the shipping was $0. Now I was factoring in ad costs, so that's why I went a bit higher at $44.99 per unit. So obviously when you're bundling, you're gonna be able to discount at a higher rate. But for now, for the example purpose, it's gonna say $44.99 if you are running ads. I'd say if you're not running ads, you could probably get away with going $34.99 or $29.99. But at this unit price, you profit $18.07. Shipping was $0. I would charge $3.99 for shipping. And then I would also do a free shipping on orders $50 plus to incentivize them to get that free shipping to spend a little bit more. You profit $3.99 on the shipping at an overall net profit of $22.06. So for the interest for Facebook ads, I would go specifically with Gymshark, which is a pretty reputable brand, similar to Nike. And then I would go with bodybuilding, physical fitness, and then the rest are physical exercise, Lululemon Athletics, weight training, health and wellness, strength training, running, athletics, and Under Armour. So really solid product, and it's 100% validated. They're doing really well, and there's a lot of potential to create tons and tons of content around this product, just like the brand. So that's it for product number 2. Let's get right into product number 3. All right, so product number 3 is a really interesting product that invokes a lot of emotion. So I really like this product, and this product specifically has a lot of potential to go viral. You can go in and watch the video again. And pretty cool. It's a friend necklace, 7-second long video, 85,000 likes, 900 comments, 10,000 saves. So this is a pretty cool product that you could gift anyone of your friends, and each of you guys can have a cool little piece of the necklace. So cool product. I could not actually find the website that was selling the product. I think they're doing TikTok shop, but their TikTok shop was not available. And then their Bitly link at the time didn't even have, oh, that's interesting. So now their Bitly link has the website itself. So that's not bad, but they're selling each unit for $6.60, which seems very low. Okay, there we go. 5 pieces at $26.60, and then they're selling each unit. I probably wouldn't sell 1 unit at a time, but I would go with the whole bundle. But I could see how if maybe each one of your friends want to individually buy their own and then they can select their own color, it would make sense. So yeah, they're selling each unit for $26.60, which seems a bit low. The website itself is not the best, and it's not optimized for desktop at all. Let's see, are they selling any other products? Yeah, it looks like pretty much a general store. They're selling all kinds of different stuff. Shark store, iPhone case, all kinds of stuff. Here's the website, I'll link it. But each unit was $5.18, and then we can go onto the diagram and check that the shipping was $2.33. I would charge $49.99 because jewelry for the most part has a higher perceived value, and this is factoring in if you're gonna run ads. So if you're not going to run ads, and you can maybe go at $29 to $34.99, and you profit $44.81 per unit at this price, and then you profit 66 cents on the shipping, and an overall net profit of $45.47. Now for the target niche, who I would go about targeting on Facebook ads, I would start with necklace to jewelry, then friendship, go that route, in a relationship, and then jewelry and apparel, as well as earring, bracelet, ring, fashion accessories, pendant, online shopping, luxury goods, and handmade jewelry. So that is it for product number 3. Let's go on to product number 4. All right, now before we get into product number 4, I do want to announce that if we hit 500 likes on this video, I'm going to give you guys access to this product list sheet that's going to have everything that we've been talking about. The AliExpress links to the TikTok or Instagram video, the competitor website, as well as the margins and the interest that would target for Facebook ads. Product number 4 is this viral steel soap that I've been seeing that has been going like crazy on the TikTok. So let's watch this video from the beginning.
The challenge, I'll be the rubber band. And it should be the weekend.
Steel soap. Regular soap versus their soap. That this video's got 82,000 likes, 4,000 comments, 5,000 shares. Dedicated the entirety of this page to posting about this steel soap, and this guy's got a decent amount of views, right? So we can see that this video got 1.4 million likes, and he has been replying to all these comments in videos, directing all that traffic to his website, where it's pretty obvious that he's a dropshipping website. Pretty sure this is it's either the Sense theme. Pretty sure this is Sense. One product store, he's selling each unit for $9.99. It doesn't look bad though, but it for sure looks like the most obvious dropship store, but it is not horrible. Yeah, one product store homepage is this single unit. I would remove all this stuff and I wouldn't have such a big discrepancy on that compared to price. So we can see that each unit is $2.65. Okay. Shipping was $1.21. I would charge $11.99 and then go with bundling, right? Because this is a pretty low average unit cost product, anything around $10, I would try and increase my average order value by getting people to spend more money by buying more and getting a discount, right? So that's that first unit, you would profit $9.34. I would charge 99 cents because it's not too heavy of an item. You lose 22 cents on the shipping at an overall net profit of $9.12. Now this is also one of those TikTok type of products that I would go in with targeting. I would go broad targeting for TikTok ads and just heavily focus on creatives, right? So for this example, if I was this guy, I would take this video and I would use this as one of my potential ad creatives for paid ads onto TikTok. Okay, so that's it for product number 4. Let's get on to the last but not least product number 5. All right, so here we are on to product number 5. It is a egg timing artifact product. It's a problem solving product, and this video was filmed in Spanish. So we can watch this. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is Spanish. Medium, hard, and it comes out just how you would want it with this device. And yeah, these guys are targeting specifically people that speak Spanish. You can do the same thing, but target people that speak English. lots and lots of comments. I need it, need. And it's a pretty cool product though. If we look at product itself, very simple product, selling each unit for $3.15. The shipping was $2.39 because we're gonna pick the tracking available option. You could hypothetically go with the free shipping, but I would not recommend it. Tracking available at $2.39. Each unit is $9.99. Same thing, bundling with this product. Probably bundle at 2 and 3 quantities. Shipping, I charge 99 cents. You profit $6.84 per unit. You lose $1.40 on the shipping at an overall net profit of $5.44 per unit. And this account, they've dedicated only 3 videos to this product where they have that link in bio. You know what, when I checked it yesterday, they didn't have that link in bio. So we can see now that, okay, so they're selling, I don't know what currency that is. This is in Spanish, COP. And yeah, it's a very dropship type of website, but they're dedicating the whole website to egg type of products. Very obvious dropship website. And these guys got a ridiculous amount of views, 12 million views, and they've only posted 3 videos. They already have 7,000 followers. So lots of potential here, guys. But that is it for product number 5, and we are done. And there you have it. These are the top picks for the month of September, and now the ball is in your court. Take action, build your store, experiment with ads, and embrace the journey, because that's truly the only way to actually be able to make any money with any of these products. And isn't that what you guys are here for? But feel free to drop any of your questions below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Best of luck with your new stores or your current stores. Till next time, peace.